This is a demonstration of animal sound effects. You can see that I've already created several animal sound effect buttons. To activate them, simply tap on them. There's a cat. This is a tree with a monkey in it. This is a tree with an owl in it. The application is simple to use. All you have to do is select it from the menu,
Animal sound effects.
then press right to see a list of sound effects. Scroll down to the one that you'd like to use. Let's do cow. And then the pen instructs you to draw a button to be your sound effect button. That button can be absolutely anything. And because I'm not a very good artist, I'm just going to write moo in a sound bubble and double tap. Now anytime I tap that button, I'm going to hear a moo. If I want to hear a sound effect on repeat, all I do is hold down on the button. And that's animal sound effects.